not answering her because she's crazy.
Just wants to fight.
Okay. And she sent me videos of her just messing with her, pushing her in her head, making her cry.
It's okay. So, you know, the videos, I did see them too.
On December 16, 2024, police received a call reporting a serious safety risk to an infant. The call was made by the biological father of a 1-year-old girl in a state of apparent panic and distress, requesting urgent intervention from authorities. The call stemmed from several disturbing videos and messages, identified as being sent by the child's mother. The accompanying messages warned that the child would be abandoned if the father did not pick him up, rapidly escalating the severity of the situation. According to initial verified information, the mother left her home to hang out with friends, leaving her 1-year-old daughter at home without any adult supervision. The child was left unattended for nearly 2 hours, without adequate care or safety precautions. Given the child's young age, they were unable to protect themselves or handle dangerous situations, making the incident a high-risk one. Immediately after receiving alarming information, the father rushed to the mother's residence to check on his child. There, he found the 1-year-old girl alone in the house, without any adult supervision. Given the dangerous situation for the infant, the father immediately took the child away and went straight to the police station to report the incident and request assistance.
Hi there.
How are you?
Too bad. How about you guys?
We've had better days.
Better days? What's going on today?
So, me and her mother split up, and I've, of course, been not answering her because she's crazy.
Just wants to fight.
Okay.
And she sent me videos of her just messing with her, pushing her in her head, making her cry. She's pouring, and I just wanted to go back emergency custody, or however I go about just getting custody over her or whatever.
Okay. Where do you
The
guys live
fighting
at?
started yesterday morning. And it's been
Gotcha.
going ever-
3809 Simpson Avenue, over in Fairfax.
Okay, that's where you guys actually live?
Yes. That's
Okay.
where I live.
And she lives up here.
Okay, where does she live?
Westover.
Westover?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's going to be kind of complicated because technically where you guys are taking residence, where the child is currently, is supposed to be the department that's supposed to take the report on this. We can obviously...
Supposed to have been there, but we had to get her
I
from
just
her-
went and picked her up.
from her
So
dad.
you actually live...
No.
He
no.
used to. He
Used
was
to.
living there. He just moved in with me.
Yeah.
Okay, when you guys split up, you moved out?
Yes.
Okay, how long ago was that?
Last Friday. Not this Friday, but following Friday.
Okay, do you have the videos and everything?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
You have them, like,
sent her
saved?
my phone that
Yeah.
just died.
I don't know. Turn the volume on. Here it goes.
That's the sub. And that's her spitting on
It's
it. And she was doing it
smacking
because
her, hitting her.
I wasn't answering the phone.
Okay.
And she just keeps doing it. I mean,
How old?
She's literally a year and a couple of days, 19.
I don't know if she should be here.
What's her name? Mom's. What's her name?
The father, clearly outraged by the mother's actions, explained to the police that the child had been left alone for an extended period, and the mother had left to attend a party.
I just wanted
So
to
I'm
go
going
the
to
fastest
get
route,
you
so I
here
just pulled in
tomorrow
here because I
because-
just picked her up.
What's next? You gotta
over here on Bellwood.
She gets fake numbers off the line. I don't know if she does it.
2002.
Every one of those numbers. It's
2002?
That Kia
Yeah.
Optima, that blue one.
And she has no license.
What's her name?
The kid home yesterday when all that
How do you spell
fighting
her last
happened.
W.
20 minutes later,
M-A-N.
she's stalking my house. I got video of her driving past
Do
my
you
house.
happen to know her birthday?
Yeah, it's 2004.
What's the phone number that she keeps sending stuff from?
Oh, they're a bunch of
What's
text
her real?
Look.
What's her real phone
Look,
number?
these,
51. My phone
these are all
is dead,
numbers. I mean, they go
but
on
it's
and on.
her actual number is 513. 3132.
Yeah, I got to
But
save an
I had
actual
it
number.
blocked because I'm just tired of her blowing me up on that word, you know.
Right.
Well, I was going
So I
tomorrow
blocked
morning
her,
anyway.
and her way to like get me to unblock her was, I guess,
And
sending them
this all
videos. She's like, if you don't unblock me, da da da. And I'm not seeing it because I'm at work.
Right.
And then I seen that video, and oh my god, I was ready for post having.
Yeah. One thing I would, obviously you talked about Child Protective
I'm
Services.
going there in the morning.
Yeah, go get a hold of them as soon as possible, okay? Make sure that you make a full report with them, explain everything that's going on.
Everybody just told me, like, I'd go to the police station at least so it shows you a report and it was urgent or whatever.
Yep.
But I just want to do the best route.
I'm going to tell you probably at best to, you said it's in Fairfax?
Yeah.
Okay. Reach out to Fairfax as well. Make sure you make some kind of a report with them.
And I can't get in trouble for having her, I don't want her to be able to call and say...
What's the custody situation?
There is none.
There is none? Yeah,
no,
then
we'd never...
you should be fine.
Okay.
As long as you have legal right to have your child and there's not like a custody
Are you
issue.
guys ever married?
Are we married? No.
Were you?
No.
So,
All right, I'm going to step in real quick. So, her living here, we're going to take the initial report. Also, you can go online to CPS's website. You guys can also make your own report and upload. I don't know if you can upload the videos, but you guys can make your own report on there as well. And type your notes, type your information, everyone's information. We will also call them ourselves tonight. Legally, she has full custody over the child.
Yeah, that's what
because you guys are never married.
That's
However, we are not going to enforce that.
And I
if
have
she
messages
calls.
of her
Right.
saying,
Because
are you going to get her from
listen,
Stephanie's?
Because of the allegations that are at hand and the child's well-being and safety, we're not going to entertain her trying to take custody of the child back.
They're gonna wait for the
Tomorrow, tomorrow morning though, go to Hamilton County and seek emergency full custody and show the images that you do have.
Yeah.
I can't guarantee charges necessarily, but we will.
I just want her. I don't even care
Well,
if she but
I mean,
I want charges. From grandma.
charge it. I mean, we'll investigate it as
Right.
if there's a potential for charges, especially charges.
It's assault on somebody.
Yeah,
yeah.
she's
Period.
responsible for the care and well-being of the child, and putting soap on the child is not probably.
all to get at me. Though. That's
Yeah.
such
So
a
keep all the
childish
evidence
thing.
you have. Also, I would for you guys tonight do the CPS website.
Okay.
If you just go on there, you can
Follow
create
directions.
your own claim
Okay.
with all the information. Then in the morning, go and get your emergency custody ASAP.
Right.
So then she can't go anywhere and try to say, oh, he took my kid.
Right.
At least it shows like you're taking initiative too.
Right.
Also, I get the protection orders.
I'm getting
No, I'm
it.
going to.
Because my
If
car,
she's-
she's done to
if
do.
she
She
keeps
kicked the
it-
dentist out of her car.
Yeah, if she
I
keeps
didn't see
doing-
him until I was about
If she
to
keeps
get
sending messages to you and stuff like that, go
She
get the
won't
protection
quit.
order.
Right.
But as of our end, we will take the initial report. We have your guys' information. Get the infant's information
Yeah.
as well.
Elena.
Okay. So basically what I'll do is I'll send you, it'll come via text, okay? There'll be a little link that just allows you to upload all of that information,
Okay.
Upload those videos, upload anything that you have, pictures, if you have text messages in any kind of
Got
way.
tons.
Yeah.
Anything pertaining to the
Screenshots.
child.
Right.
Oh, I'm sure he's got plenty that.
All the other messages keep for your protection order.
Right.
Yep.
Right.
I got you.
But anything that involves the welfare of the
baby.
child,
Gotcha.
okay? Screenshot those text messages
Wish she
and you
was
can
dead and
upload them all.
everything else.
She said that about the
Yeah.
baby.
And it was going to drop her off on our doorstep and stuff.
That would be something to,
Yeah.
to
Oh,
screenshot.
there's like
Keep it for your
there
emergency
is
custody.
countless amounts of just messages of her just.
Yeah, because in the background, that actually helps us establish kind of her mindset on stuff and why she's doing some of the stuff that she's doing. So, let me make sure.
Telling me that there's other
You said
guys
Cynthia,
around my
right?
baby and everything else.
Which is.
But then she
is it
plays
up the
crazy.
stairs?
To the right.
Up the
First one.
stairs to the right.
Yeah.
As soon as you pull in,
I don't think did she just move in?
Yeah. You
Like in
probably
March.
never had to talk to her.
she's. I just had shoulder
she's
surgery, so I can
chunky.
have her kind of listen.
She's very vocal. Very vocal.
Upon receiving the report, the police conducted an initial assessment based on the documents and information provided, including videos, messages, and the circumstances surrounding the child's discovery. Verification revealed that at the time of the incident, there was no legal agreement regarding child custody between the two parties. The information gathered indicates that the mother was directly responsible for the child's care, and the alleged actions placed the child at actual risk of harm. Given the seriousness of the situation, the case is being reviewed from the perspective of child safety and welfare. Based on this, Child Protective Services is notified to coordinate the response, ensuring the child does not remain in the environment deemed unsafe while awaiting further action. After the incident was reported, the mother could not be contacted for an extended period, making the verification process difficult. During this time, authorities did not have clear information about the mother's whereabouts or condition. Nearly 2 days later, the mother was confirmed to have appeared at a local medical facility, from which authorities proceeded with the necessary procedures. Information related to the incident continued to be gathered and cross-referenced to clarify the entire sequence of events.
Witnesses too. Okay, if that's fine. So if you have any questions, I want you to ask them at the end. Ask me, okay? All right? So before I ask you any questions, you have to understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court. You have the right to speak with a lawyer for advice before we ask any questions. You have the right to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you speak with a lawyer.
Okay.
Okay.
I eventually will want a lawyer, but I'll answer some questions. I don't have to answer them all, right?
You can answer whatever you want to answer today with me, okay?
Okay.
Do you remember my first name?
No.
Jesse.
Jesse.
Okay? You can call me Jesse. You don't have to call me detective, okay?
The mother was informed of her legal rights before the police proceeded to record information related to the incident. This process was undertaken to clarify the circumstances, actions, and factors related to the child's safety, serving as a basis for further assessment and handling by the authorities.
So before I ask any questions, you'll just sign right there, and then you'll print your name on the next line. And then I'll sign it, and then Candace will do the same. So can I set the stuff down? Okay. So you and Steven, tell me about your relationship. I kind of heard a little bit right now.
It was good. His mom did a lot of damage. She's crazy. She don't want her son to move on, let go, have his own family. She would harass, take pictures of our cars outside, and stuff like that. Well, we would cut her off. It would make it worse. Well, when we fight, he runs back there and tells her all the business that's been going on since she wasn't whatever. Then she takes it out on us, and then I get cool with her again, and then she brings up my kids, and I'm spotted. And he doesn't want to see the part. Steven don't want to look at it like, oh, he's had this whole time that, well, your mom.
The reason why.
Yeah, and now she's loving every minute of this right now with my kids. She's spending it the whole time like that. I can't wait till you leave your kids, or he leaves you and never comes back.
The mother claims that the father's mother caused significant harm, frequently engaging in what she considers harassment, including stalking and photographing their vehicles outside their residence, as well as making statements that strained their relationship.
So it made our relationship really toxic. And he didn't like that I'm a pretty girl, and people text my phone or something, doesn't mean I text back. Or if someone looks at me some way out in public, he'll say something, or I'm a or and I don't want to, well, then I don't want to be with you. Then tell me I'm ugly, and I have 2 kids, no one's gonna want me. And the video game he loves, and the weed. I don't like it, and he does.
He does.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I don't like it around my children. His mom will sleep, pick Lynn up, and smoke a joint while she's in her vehicle. You can't do that. I'm sorry, but you can't.
Yeah.
And cigarettes.
Yeah.
If you went there right now, she would stink like a cigarette. Mm-hmm. And she uses that she has a medical card. Well, I thought instead of if you have a medical card, you can't have a gun in the same home. But I'm not sure how that works. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, that's something I'm not going to, get into right now with everything.
Yeah. And she'll be crawling and he won't even pay attention. Like if I went to the grocery and come back, my house would be destroyed, he'd be on the game.
So he's not paying attention to what she's doing?
No. He just thinks, oh, we'll clean it up later. Like, what if she got us something and it was small and you couldn't see it? Like, you have to
worry about her choking on it or something.
Yeah, something. Like, I've never been a bad mom. This has never been on my mind. Like, I just want to change. Yeah.
So you're going through a hard time, and I'm sorry that that's going on. This is the right step for you. Okay? You're gonna need some help here. These people are great with what they do.
And Christmas, I won't be able to see my kids.
Let's see. Let's just see. We don't know what tomorrow holds. Okay? All right. Do you want a tissue or anything, or a drink of water or something?
I have asked for a pop, but I don't think they brought it up to a Pepsi.
Yeah, do you want tissue? You want tissue too?
Yeah.
Yeah, you blow your nose and wipe your eyes. You are remorseful. You know what that means, right? That means you know that you made a mistake.
I made one.
And that's,
I'm not gonna
that's
lie.
okay. So you know the videos, I did see them too. I know.
And I'm a great mom.
Here you are. Was there anybody else in the house besides you and your kids? And that was last night.
Yeah,
Nobody else was there, it was just you.
Yeah.
Have you ever
I
videoed?
tried reaching out to get help. He wouldn't take her. He had her from Friday to Sunday. He got her at 6 o'clock at night. I went out Saturday with my friends. It was her birthday. And we went to Mexican and stuff. Matter of fact, I said, I'm not even home. He said, I don't care. You better be home. Hold on. I think I had that stuff too. I thought he was gonna kick the door in and leave him laying outside the front door.
According to her testimony, the mother confirmed that no other adults were present at the residence, and the entire situation occurred while she was solely responsible for caring for the child. She also stated that the video recording stemmed from an attempt to contact the father, as she hoped he would come to pick up the child, but did not receive the expected cooperation.
All because I went out. So I texted him and I said, I need mentally help. He laughed, blocked me. You think it's funny? You don't need help? He says I'm chemically unbalanced.
Have you, was that the first time
This is the first time.
last night that anything's ever
This
happened
is
with,
the first thing.
with any of your kids?
Yes.
Okay. Did you, in one of the videos, you had said about the dish detergent.
Yeah, first I was just playing with her, but no. Me and her were playing before that, and I just blacked out after that.
That was how all this stuff that you were doing. Okay. So all this stuff
I
that,
got plenty of stuff to
Okay.
go through after I get out of
Okay.
here. What happened?
you got my card.
I got
you can reach
lots
out.
of things
Okay.
of him saying he's leaving the child and stuff. He's trying to make it to me like I'm some horrible person. I'm not.
Yeah.
So that one time, and this is all over it.
So this is just that last night was the lowest point for you. You just couldn't
I
handle
just
anything.
couldn't handle no
Couldn't handle
more.
anything. I get it. Were you just mad at him? Really?
Because he tries to say, after that weekend when I said he'll never do it again, that he was going to go through courts for visitation. And I know he's not going to do that. He's just saying that, so I think that, so he can just go
Yeah.
on and not see his kid.
Yeah.
But when he's at home, he can be a good dad. He takes care of them, he sends me money to take care of them or whatever. But watching them and being a dad and sitting down playing with your children and stuff, he doesn't do that.
Yeah. Yeah, you want him to be involved. You want him to be involved. I get that. That's, yep, you want to
Just
have a good
because you're
parent.
there don't mean you're
Yep.
involved.
You want to be good, a parent, and you want him to be as well. I get it.
And I tried doing parenting with him. He says, I got myself. The weed's gonna help me.
So, who's that?
He said the
weed?
weed. The weed.
Yeah, the weed, smoking weed.
Smoking weed.
So, did you send those videos just to him? That was it?
Yeah,
You didn't just because you're mad, you wanted him to come pick her up.
yeah, because I wanted to. He thought I was playing like I was not gonna have a mental
Yeah.
breakdown.
You wanted him to come get her. You needed it.
Yes, and I needed it. And my mom is my little brother and stuff, and it just all happened so fast. I just wanted
Yeah.
him to come get it so I could get help.
So you're doing everything you could to get him to get over there.
And get help. I need help. Get him. Please get him. And he doesn't. I have to do something or say something to him, like I'll have sex with you if you come here and do this.
So
I
you
shouldn't
try-
have to.
Yeah, so you're trying to do everything to get him to be involved.
To be involved. Everything I can. And then now he wants to take my child and this and that. He just told me 3 days ago I'm the best mom ever to the kids and that's why he loves me so much.
So this is you getting pulled back and forth with him all over the place.
Toxic.
Yeah, yeah. You need somebody who's great for you and for your kids too. You're gonna find that one day. I know today you can't think about that. It's very difficult for you. You know.
But
You
I
do
love
that.
him.
Here, blow your nose.
Wish I could be with him.
Yeah. So
got to the brain. I miss her.
that's Steven's baby. Did she get hurt at all?
No.
In those videos?
No.
And then you were just
She's
mad.
fine.
You said a couple times. You didn't mean to. I know. I'm sorry this is tough to talk about. I do appreciate you, though, that you're talking with me.
It sucks.
Yeah. You have the same ring on. Where'd you get? Is that a special ring?
Yeah.
It's
I
not.
buy myself.
You bought it yourself? Are you working right now?
Yeah.
You want to work?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any questions for me? I'm not going to stay around anymore because you're going to go talk upstairs and everything.
No, but if I leave today, whenever I can call you,
You can.
we can meet up and talk.
My email is on there too as well. You can reach out. You have it. You got the card there somewhere. I can give you another one if need
I
be.
gave you mine for 2.
Oh, I got it.
I got it. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. So you got my information. What's my first name without looking at the card? Oh, you looked at it. See? Jesse.
Jesse, off
Okay.
Toy Story, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
That was the girl in Toy Story. So, all right. I appreciate you. Thank you for being honest with me. I get it. And that's a step in being an adult and a responsible adult. When you make a mistake.
I did it.
Yep.
I'm not going to tell the world that.
I know.
I
No.
deactivated.
And guess what? This conversation is between you and I. I don't go out and tell anyone. Okay?
Yeah, I deactivated my social media
You should.
because it was bad.
Yep.
After completing the necessary verification steps, authorities proceeded to arrest the mother in connection with actions deemed to have endangered the safety of children. The arrest was carried out in accordance with legal procedures, based on information and documents collected during the investigation. After her arrest, the mother was processed according to standard procedures, including filing a record, documenting her personal information, and taking the necessary steps to facilitate the legal proceedings. Simultaneously, the case was transferred to the next legal processing stage, under the supervision of the competent authorities.
Thank you. I did, yeah. All kinds of drama the last couple weeks, huh? Oh, didn't I see you over there the other day when all the PlayStation and stuff? Yeah. Good, watch yourself.
That was it for me.
All right, here, hold on just a second. Come on there. All right, go ahead and have a seat. Butt first. All right. We're gonna buckle in. There you are. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Yeah, appreciate it. Got the paperwork. Stocks. Paperwork.
After the case moved to the legal processing stage, the local prosecutor's office officially filed charges against the mother. Specifically, she was charged with endangering a child and domestic violence, directly related to the alleged act of putting the child in an unsafe situation. After appearing in court, the mother was released on bail under strict conditions, including not being allowed to have contact with the child without designated supervision. These measures were implemented to limit the risk of recurrence of behaviors that could endanger the child's safety. While the case is still being processed, the child is placed in the care of the father, and the Child Protection Agency opens an official monitoring file to track the child's safety and well-being in accordance with legal procedures. The timely detection and intervention in this case helped prevent potentially devastating consequences and highlighted the crucial role of cooperation between families and authorities in protecting children. The case was handled in accordance with U.S. legal procedures, with a focus on the child's safety and well-being, and continues to be monitored under necessary oversight measures.